The Quran does not only tell us about things that have already been discovered. Rather, it tells us about scientific phenomena still debated today. These next two are not yet confirmed, but their mere discussion is worthy of note. One such topic is the end of the universe. Will it continue to expand forever, or collapse back in on itself? The Holy Quran sheds light on this enigmatic matter. Remember the day when we shall roll up the heavens like the rolling up of written scrolls by a scribe. As we began the first creation, so shall we repeat it, a promise binding upon us. We shall certainly perform it. This vivid description of the Quran completely fits the picture of the universe collapsing into a black hole. Angular momentum would cause the fabric of space to enter into it like the rolls of parchment. Then, a new universe would emerge. It is only a matter of time until this shocking fate of the universe is confirmed to be the most likely by physicists. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon if you wish to see videos like these in future.